Welcome back, my friends, and happy Monday. I hope everyone had a great weekend. But I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, my name is Lindsay, and I'm always bringing you the best work from home jobs there are. I spend a lot of time searching the internet, so if you never want to miss another upload, please make sure you're subscribed. But with that being said, today's job lead is from the huge company Target. Now, they have everything from clothing to home goods to groceries. We all know Target. And they are hiring for a non-phone position. That's right, this is not customer service. They are hiring an administrative assistant for their own brand design. This is a full-time remote work from home position. This is for my United States folks only. They are looking for a senior administrative assistant to support multiple leaders and demonstrate a keen ability to think critically in a fast-paced environment. They feel like at Target, you are the extension of the leader, complementing their work style while upholding Target's values and demonstrating the utmost poise, professionalism, and leadership. So you're going to offer a level of service that goes above and beyond. They want someone who can manage multiple priorities and processes while staying up to date on ever-changing retail marketplace. So you will be handling all the administrative duties for the executives, whatever they need. But they are looking for someone who has a high school diploma or GED. No college degree is required. Of course, it says the 4-year degree is preferred, but it is not required. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of administrative experience or similar experience, someone who can be great with verbal and written communication skills and have the ability to communicate with a variety of levels, both internally and externally. They're looking for someone who can be flexible and resilient, someone who has accountability with a high degree of initiative, someone who is that go-getter and can just do, someone who has high attention to detail, and they prefer you to have a Microsoft Office experience. Now, one thing about this position is it does pay very well. Of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but they pay anywhere from $22 an hour all the way up to $40 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with another work from home job lead just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.